Hi, I'm Amanda Davis coming to you from ThinkUp Studios. In these next few learning modules, we'll be talking about assessments. So please check out the videos below and continue learning alongside us. Hi, I'm Amanda Davis. Thank you for joining me. Before we jump into the assessment that's found in the student edition, I wanted to give a word of warning from one teacher to another. At Mentoring Minds, we're known for our level of rigor, and that's why schools across the United States choose us. But we oftentimes hear that teachers feel like the assessment might be too rigorous for their students, or they don't even start using our stuff till later in the year because it's too rigorous. Well, I just want to let you know a way to combat that misconception is if you think of this more than just a workbook. This is not a set of problems for students to go through, because if you do that, you will hit that roadblock. It will be too rigorous for your students by the time you get to the assessment. You have to remember that this is a program that contains a teacher edition. If you look in this teacher edition, you can tell just by comparing it that there's a lot more content in here than in the student edition. So remember, before having your students do the assessment, really evaluate and make sure that you've done everything that you can in the instructional section in the student edition to make sure that they're ready to hit the level of rigor. When that happens, we have found that students do great on the assessment. So again, my final thought, remember that ThinkUp Math was not designed to be a workbook for students, but it's designed to be a program. So make sure you're using it that way in your classroom. Thank you. The assessment section provides the concept check for students to apply what they have learned in both selected and open response problem types that are formatted to questioning types seen during high-stakes testing. The multiple choice and griddable questions let you immediately see the level of student knowledge, while the open response questions help you identify error patterns and review student reasoning and understanding of the unit concept. The concept check in the teacher edition gives you the opportunity to instill good test-taking habits by sharing the test-taking tips provided with students. The answer keys for this assessment are found online at k12.mentoringminds.com, where you have access to your ebooks.